Have you ever wondered why people think that if you flip a coin twice, getting heads the first time makes it less likely to get heads again? It's a super common belief, but it's actually a big misunderstanding about how probability works. Let's dive in and clear up some of the biggest myths about chance. First, let's talk about independence. In probability, two events are independent if the outcome of one doesn't affect the other. Each coin flip is independent. The coin doesn't remember what happened before. So even if you get heads 5 times in a row, the chance of getting heads or tails on the next flip is still 50/50ths. The coin doesn't have a memory, and it doesn't try to balance things out. Now let's clear up a classic myth. The idea that if something happens a lot, the opposite is due to happen next. This is called the gambler's fallacy. With independent events like coin flips or dice rolls, past results don't change the odds for the next try. Each roll or flip is a brand new event. But what about situations where events are not independent? That's where conditional probability comes in. Conditional probability is the chance of one event happening, given that another event has already happened. For example, if you draw a card from a deck and don't put it back, the odds of drawing a certain card next time change because the deck is now smaller. In these cases, what happened before does matter. Here's another key idea, the law of large numbers. This law says that as you repeat an experiment more and more times, the average result will get closer to the expected probability. If you flip a coin thousands of times, you'll see about half heads and half tails. But in the short run, anything can happen. Playing the lottery 100 times doesn't guarantee a win, just like flipping a coin 10 times doesn't guarantee 5 heads and 5 tails. And let's talk about luck versus probability. Luck is all about feelings and superstition, but probability is pure math. You can't change your odds by crossing your fingers or carrying a lucky charm. Probability is based on logic, not magic. The only way to improve your chances is to understand the rules and the math behind the game. So next time someone tells you they're due for a win or talks about lucky streaks, remember, probability doesn't play favorites and it doesn't keep score. Every event is its own and chance doesn't have a memory. But if events are connected, like drawing cards without replacement, then the odds do change. Stay sharp, question what you hear, and keep busting those probability myths. The more you know about independence, conditional probability, and the law of large numbers, the better you'll be at spotting the truth behind the numbers. Probability is a powerful tool. Use it wisely.